Welcome back, guys, to the Ron J's channel. You're probably wondering, what am I doing at the airport again? I was dragged into coming to California. I have a family party with my like long lost family. Not really long lost. It should be fun because it's only like for one family party, and then I'm here for the next in total 5 days. So we'll probably see what I'm gonna do with Alice in San Diego, California. It should be interesting. California, my first time. I just tried recently uploading the California LA music rap reaction video. Didn't work out because, you know, copyright. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna cut it up in shorts because I worked all day for that video, and I'll be tight if that is not uploaded. Catch you guys in the next thing. Officially landed in San Francisco. Really? Kind of for me it felt short. I fell asleep right away. I knocked out. Ooh, it's hot over here. That's crazy. Oh my god. You guys, I don't know what it is, but it's something about the sight of a palm tree that gets me real geeked. I think because I come from New York and I'm just so used to trees, just boring ass pine trees and stuff like that. So when I see a palm tree, I'm astonished. Also, as soon as I arrived in California, I was already thrown off on how warm it was out there in the middle of December. After my uncle picked us up from the airport, he started to show me a couple cool downtown locations just to give me a taste of what to expect over here. And I can definitely say San Diego got some spots. Y'all got some nice spots for like scenery. Alright, so we dropped off our luggage and all our stuff at our uncle's house. And now I'm on my way to hit the first dispensary here in California. I heard a lot of good things about the flower here, so I wanted to see exactly how good the flower is here compared to the one over in New York. But yeah, I'm just walking around and just enjoying the scenery. You guys be able to tell where I am right now? This is like a whole alleyway. I still have like probably about 12 minutes till I get to the first dispensary. I was this close for having my phone die and like leave me stranded out here in California. That would have been crazy a little bit. But luckily I went back, got my battery back, and then I realized I got the wrong wire. I got this dumbass USB-C wire. So I had to go to the gas station and get one of those cheap ass iPhone chargers. They're gonna break on me in like 5 days, but I only needed it for a couple days anyway. I've never heard of the Golden Bloom before, so I decided to go into this completely blind, not knowing what to expect. And ladies and gentlemen, happy I did, because when I went in there, I felt like a kid in a toy store, wanting everything I saw and more. They had all sorts of infused stuff like soda, candy, mints, syrups, and way more. Obviously, I couldn't have it all, so I just picked out the necessities that I needed for my lengthy stay here in San Diego. I really can't wait till New York has these. We just left our first dispensary. It was pretty nice inside. I tried to get a couple clips inside, but I couldn't really. I had to do it secretly. But I was able to get some stuff. I got a good amount. I got some edibles, I got some pre-rolls, I got some fat blunt pre-rolls with boom rocks. Gonna get smacked. Yeah, the reason why I bought more pre-rolls is because I can't really have an opportunity to roll when I'm out here. I have no tray, I have no grinder. Right when I got out of the dispensary, I remembered, I'm in California. Where's the nearest cookies dispensary? So I started to look it up on my phone, and I realized it wasn't that far away. So I decided to take myself to the cookie dispensary in San Diego. I ordered an Uber and I was out. Deadass just left the cookie shop. You're not gonna believe what I just got. I definitely got some nice ass goods. Got some of this, some exotic. This apparently, this shit, bro, was like, yo, this is wild. This is probably the best you ever smelled. And then since I spent like OD money, I spent like 200. They gave me like, they didn't give me gelato pre-rolls or like jello pre-rolls. I'm like, okay. And infused papers. I was like, what? I had to get one of these. Apparently this is like the double-sided ones where like you can have one side a different strain and the other side this other strain, which is pretty fire. What else? I know I got this I had to get Khalifa Kush. So after shopping at cookies, I found myself at a Chick-fil-A. I wanted to get some food, and I took this video showing of everything I bought in this one day specifically. And I knew myself that this was not going to be the only day I was hitting a dispensary. When I was over there, I was basically hitting the dispensary daily. My visits will range from either spending minimum of $150 to $300. I just had some Chick-fil-A. That shit was bomb. So I got some food in me. Kinda wish I had a drink, but okay, I don't need a drink. Right now, brought up some 2 joints right there outside the Chick-fil-A dine-in place outside. So people how I just said that, right? After recording these 2 clips about me walking to the location where I'm gonna go enjoy the scenery to light up, right, I realized that I dumped all of my Chick-fil-A sauces into my dispensary shopping bags, thinking, yeah, I decided to go on this trail because I was like, oh, it should be nice. I wanted to see what scenery this had to offer, and you know, I already rolled up 2 of these. Or I don't know what I was thinking, my fried ass. This was the garbage. When I don't know how I realized, I think I was going inside to reach for one of the disposables because I wanted to use it, and when I reach inside one of these shopping bags, I have barbecue sauce all over my hand. Bruh. And on some of the products that I had in that specific shopping bag. I had 2 of them, and it was the white one that got really like saucy, let's just say that. Top of the morning here in San Diego. Right now we are about to smoke some of this Ted Toker. Smells amazing. I heard good things when I went to go buy this. Guy said this is probably the best smoke I've ever had. The last bud that I showed off last video, where it was like the last time I rolled this, it kind of fell out of me when I tried smoking it. I was so upset. Right now I'm just enjoying this nice sunny weather. It's almost like first thing in the morning over here in California. It's like 7 a.m. About to wake and bake. Should be a nice day today. I came along and walked like further down north, like the street, and I found this park. See like the whole view of the city over here. That's a whole other trail right there. The weather out here is actually almost like, I'm gonna say perfect. It's like 70 degrees, so it's not hot or cold right now. So I understand why people love the weather out here in California. This is a nice vibe right here. This is like the whole view I got right now going on. I'm gonna light one up. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the view. Nice. I got the sun beaming. Day 2 was the day of the quinceañera, so I didn't really record a lot on my day 2, and I didn't really want to record inside or during the quinceañera because everyone's seen a Sweet 15. The same way they do it in New York is the same way they do it out in Cali, so there's no other difference. So we're just gonna skip ahead into the next day, day 3, where there was a lot more happening. It's like my 3rd day out here. Pretty nice. Yesterday we had to do like a little Sweet 16 for my family. It was a vibe, but it was pretty cold. It does get cold out here. Right now I'm just taking a walk, seeing what else this area has to offer, where I can get some views to get some nice shots. But overall today should be a nice calm day. Day 3 in San Diego. They have a drive-through Mexican restaurant. That sounds like a dream. Only we had those back home. That's crazy. Alright, so now on the 3rd day, after I went to go do my usual morning walk, you know, I was invited out for breakfast. So that's where I got this nice view of the city. It was like a restaurant on the golf course. After we finished eating breakfast, my uncle actually allowed me to drive his car around San Diego. So I went to go drop him off, and I decided to go do my own journey. So I really wanted to go look at the malls out in this area. I wanted to see how they are, you know, how they look and all that. Just take a look at this tree. And I thought it was pretty cool how the mall in San Diego over here is like all out in the open, like outside. Currently at the beach right here in California on a December. That's kind of crazy to me. I literally just looked up on the map, like, you know, my closest beach or like the beaches in this area, and I found this place. I'm about to go over there and see how it is over there with the views, but oh my god, the water sounds so nice. That is a nice, beautiful color of water. I didn't bring nothing to swim with, but I'm just gonna soak in the Cali weather and relax. Probably the most beautiful scenery I've ever seen over here. Wow, this is so nice. I'm happy to be here right now. This is great. This is a great feeling right now. I find it hard to put into words how beautiful and peaceful it was to sit by the water, to hear the waves splash against the rocks, and having the wind blow to my face while the sun is beaming. Ooh, it was a vibe. Right now I'm winding down. I just came back from driving around here looking at the scenery. Kind of nice driving here in California. I didn't really expect myself to be over here driving. It's a nice view. I like the city view on the highways. It's pretty nice. Traffic here is kind of a but not bad. I just came back from the dispensary, got a lot of edibles. It was like a candy factory in a specific dispensary that I went to. I just grabbed a whole bunch of gummies, cookies, chocolates, and some flour too, because I was low on flour. Just kicking back, relaxing, enjoying the view. Alright, since this is the last full day in San Diego, I wanted to make it count. I did my usual Cali routine, which if you guys don't know by now, it consisted of I woke up, I rolled up, and walked straight to the park that was close by. I was doing this every day in California. Personally, I thought it was a great way to start the day while I was out there. When I decided it was time to go back, as I was walking back to my uncle's place, I stumbled upon this sign. It was in the park and I never realized it until like the 4th day I was there. I figured it was just like an extension of the park. With this other part of the park, I had a closer view of the city. It was also like I guess a different angle. But as I kept walking into deeper, I found myself coming upon these stone steps, and I was actually pretty curious what I was gonna find at the bottom of the steps. I didn't expect it to be this little area where it seemed like an area where people just hang out. Clearly it was not taken care of well. I saw like a whole bunch of garbage, litter, graffiti. It looked like people kind of trashed it. I don't think I can chill here though, so I'm gonna move out of here. But this is cool. After being disappointed from finding out what was at the bottom of the stairs, I decided to just walk back and grab my uncle's car to drive myself down to the waterfront. Paying for the parking at the waterfront was okay. It was about $7.50 for 3 hours. Not bad. I just did the maximum because I didn't know how long I was gonna be there. But I was just here for like 2 hours maybe. But I feel like I picked the right day to come. There was a lot of people. It was nice out. The statue you guys are looking at right now goes by many names, I realized while I was trying to look up what exactly this statue represents. Some call it the kissing sailor, others call it unconditional surrender. But according to this article, San Diego officially labels it as embracing peace. Honestly, I feel like that one fits the most with the statue. I don't know if this is a usual thing, but I stumbled upon this area where they were having like these vendors out selling food, bracelets, paintings, other Spanish food, even sushi stuff. I thought it was pretty cool. Sadly, the food truck that I picked to order my tacos from wasn't really the best. Let's just say these tacos were not authentic Mexican tacos. I decided for my last day to come over here and enjoy the sunset by the beach. Looks like everybody just comes out of here. Kind of nice though. Whoever lives in those apartments gets even better. Well, everybody, it's about that day. Today is the day that we fly back home where we belong, in New York, where it's mad cold out right now. But overall, my trip over here in San Diego was pretty nice. I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed seeing the sunsets by the beach, visiting the dispensary every day, but well worth it. Coming back, I don't know if I would ever really come back here, but I will see myself again in California someday. San Diego, not sure, but hey, maybe sometime down the road, I'll probably be back here some. But it was pretty nice while it lasted. Next time you see me, I will be flying back